2 to the power of root 7 versus 7. Let's solve it. 7 to the 4th power equals 2,401. 2 to the 11th power gives us 2,048. Therefore, 7 to the 4th is greater than 2 to the 11th power. Next, we raise both sides of the inequality to the 1/4 power. By applying the power properties, we multiply the exponents. This gives us 7 to the power of 4 times 1/4 is greater than 2 to the power of 11 times 1/4. As a result, 7 is greater than 2 to the power of 11/4. Now, we can easily observe that 121/16 is greater than 7. This means that 11/4 squared is greater than 7. By taking the square root of both sides of the inequality, we find that 11/4 is greater than the square root of 7. Consequently, 2 to the power of 11/4 is greater than 2 to the power of the square root of 7. Now, if we combine relations 1 and 2, it follows that 2 to the power of the square root of 7 is less than 7.